Hey ladies, and welcome back to my channel. If press-on nails are your go-to and you want to know how to make them last, keep watching this video. So before I do anything, I want to make sure I measure the press-ons to my natural nails and make sure they fit. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to use the nail itself to push back my cuticles to make sure it'll fit. You can use the file if you want, but this is how I choose to do them. One tip that I do when applying my press-ons, I make sure I put just enough glue so that I don't get any of those air bubbles, because that is the reason why the nails pop off, is because you put too much glue on your nails. Also, another thing that I do is while pressing the nail down, I make sure I get not only in the middle, but also rub it around the sides of the nail. So as you can see, I'm filing the nails, making sure they look right to my fingers. And yes, I did file like on the sides. I did that to make sure they look like they fit my fingers. And as you can see, look how beautiful these are, you guys. Oh, I'm in love with these. And this is the end of my tutorial. Please let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.